How to fix timeout connection error in the Minecraft. So let's get started. So you have to go into your Windows and here you have to search for the control panel. Now once you are in here, you have the option of the Java, so you have to click on it. So once you click on it, you have the option for the update. If you using the older variant, then you have the option to check for the updates, so you just have to click on it and you have to update it. And once you're done with it, so you have to go back and here you have to again go in these Windows and here you have to search for the allow an app through Windows firewall and click on it. Now here you have to again search for the option of the Java and you have to scroll down until you find this option. So here is the option of the Java. So here you have to make sure that these two boxes are enabled, and here you have to simply select this and add the changes and click on the OK. And once you're done with it, you are able to fix this issue. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.